Hey there, in this video what we're going to be doing is assembling the right and left motors here on our Wi-Fi Wheeler. Alright, here's our chassis, and then we have our right motor assembly. We're going to take these 4 notches here and connect it to these 4 notches here. Take it, put it like that, okay? And which side of it? There's 2 sides of the chassis here, right? It's got to be the same side as the caster wheel here. Alright, so we got that. Then we're going to flip it over, and we got to make sure we secure it in place. So you're going to need a couple of these screws here, 2 of them. Stick it through this hole, get our screwdriver, screw it in. Okay, do the same thing with this one. Okay, once you've done that, then this is totally secure. And we just do the same thing with the other wheel. Okay, take this, snap it in, and then we have our screws here. One screw, and then last screw here. Excuse me. Let's get the screw in there, and then we will be done with the mechanical assembly of the car. Okay, here we go. All right, we got 2 wheels here, and then a caster flipping it over. 2 wheels and a caster, so the caster should be spinning around. These motors should be snug. They're not going. These won't be turning. They won't turn now until we wire up everything and get our encode our robot to make it move. So that'll be the fun part later on. But here we go. Mechanical assembly done. We do need to add our controller board and the battery and some other electrical components, and so we'll do that in the next video.